In this video, I will show you how to create Facebook interest-based save audience for awareness campaign. It's very simple process. Let's go to the screen. Hello everyone, I am Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. So first of all, look at that is my ad accounts, and we just create our audience. So just click the all tools and go to the audience section. Just click the right and go to the another tab here. So that is three option here: the custom audience, lookalike audience, and the save audience. So awareness campaign, basically we use the save audience. So just click the save audience here, and today our product is the jewelry based product. So and now we create in this product audience. So just go to the products and write the name here. So bottom of the funnel awareness campaign. So just click bofu audience and select our destination, and our country is United States. So just click search here, and all the United States here we select, and our age group is 18 plus also age group here. So we just 18 plus and we select our 45 years audience, and basically is woman here. So just click the woman, and we select our main targeted areas, that demography audience, interest based audience, and the behavior audience. So first of all, we select our demographic audience. So they click the demography, and there is two option here: the educational and the financial. So educational, the college going student are more potential in this in this product, so the jewelry products. So we just click the educational, click the educational level, the honors, coding the degree, we select, and our next is the college growth. Okay, the select it. The doctorate degree is also our customer, and the high school goals is also our customer here. In the high school growth, in high school, the professional degree, the all kind of students is also my customer here. So just select the all kind of educational purposes, and the next is the financial. So just the basically we income. So we clicked the all kind of income source people, all our my customer, and the next is the life lives. So many kind of people here so buy this product and give her family. So just select the family members, and just select the operations, and the next is the birthday. We select our birthday also, and friend of man with a birthday in 7 to 30 days. It's not my audience. So basically is a child, with friend of people with birthday in a month. So in this month, many kind of people have that birthday, and birthday gifts is also jewelry products. So here, so just click it, and the next is the new job. It's not my potential customer, and the in a new relationship is the 1 year relationship. So we select the 6 month relationship, we select the 3 month, all kind of customer in the, our potential customer. So just select it, and the next is the parents. So just click the parents, the all parents here, many kind of parents. So we just select the all parents, and the relationships. So our demography is the always done, and our next is the interest based audience. So just click the interest, business and industry, the educational, the family and relationship, the finance and wellness, food and drink is not my customer. So first of all, you select the family and relationships. Just click the family person, and the childhood person, the parents give her child. So just jewelry ship is my customer, the marriage is my customer, and the wedding yes, the wedding is my also the very potential customer for me. The parents of child of the finance and weeks is not my customer. The health is not my is not my customer. Next is the sports, not the health, and habit or occupied is not my customer. Shopping, yes, we just click the shopping and finance. The beauty product, many kind of girls have the beauty product here also. So just click the beauties, and the frequencies, the click here. The hair performance is the click here, and the clothing is also many kind of girls buy the clothing and the same color, same product though choose our jewelries also. So that is my customer also. So just click the all kind of hairs, and the next is the finance accessories. So dress apparels, the jewelry is my more potential client, and the shopping results the luxury and goods, that is my customer. The shopping mailers that is my customer, and the toys, no, not toys is not my customer. The next is the shop outlet, this not, technology is not my customer. And the behaviors, and the next is our behaviors. So we select our demography, interest, and behavior targeting. So the first behavior is the anniversary. So man give her wife and girlfriends so the jewelry products. So just select the click the anniversary. So just a mobile user, that is not the customer. Click the games, is not my customer here. The health education, not more than. The purchase behaviors is the purchase behavior, the engage shop, the many kind. So these people shop again and again is online, Facebook, in Google, Instagram. So that kind of people see my ad here. So just select it. And mobile device user lifetime, this not. The source is not my customer. The family friends, the travel is not my customer. So our all kind of targeting is also completed. The demography you targeted, the 18, the age group of 18 plus to 45, the gender is woman, and the demographic audience, we select our demographic audience, and next we select our interest base, and next we select our behaviors. So that is our all targeting is completed, and now we can create the save audience. So just click the save audience, and look at that, our audience is here. Now we create a new campaign. So just click the awareness and continue here. That is our campaign page, and go to the ad set page, the new ad set, and some just click down and look at that, that is our audience section. So just go to the sweep the original audience options, use the original audience, and go select, look at that, that is our use the save audience, and just click, and we can select our bottom of the funnel audience, and look at that, our audience is targeted also here. So in this video I try to teach you how to create the save audience for awareness campaign. I hope you will understand the better. Is there any question, you just knock me in my WhatsApp, link in the description. Thank you.